Right, so I've come up with this harebrained scheme that I want Rolls Royce headliner in my van. Now, whether I can do it or not is a different story, but can you see all the dots? Can you see all the dots? Got loads of little dots. Now I've got 200 fibre optic strands which are there. There's 200 of them little buggers. And I've got to get them in all them holes. So I've got to drill lots of holes, and then once I've done that and got them through, we'll see what it looks like. So I have started this because typically I forgot to film because you get in the moment and all that crap, don't you? But I'll try and, hang on a minute. If I turn this round, I'll show you. So far, so I've made this. So that's just a sheet of cork from B&Q with some black vel trim around the edges, and I've got to drill all them little lights out, so we'll see what it looks like. I mean, this might go terribly wrong and might end up in the bin, but you never know if you don't try. Right, onwards. Right, I'm about an hour in. I don't know if you can see that. If I go down there you might be able to see it now. There's loads of little fibre optics that I've threaded through all these holes. Absolute nightmare. So I won't bore you with me threading all them through there, but I'll show you when I've finished. Right. 2 hours later, I've threaded 300 of them little buggers through there. There they all are dangling down there, look. So we're getting there. So now I need to mount it. So I'll mount it and then I'll show you what it looks like. I'll try and light it up with you as well off the power bank. Right, so a little update on the lighting situation. I forgot to film it, didn't I? But this is the kind of final product. You can see all these hanging down here, fibre optics. So to give you an idea of what it looks like, I've just got them temporary rigged up here. So I don't know if you can actually see that because it's quite light outside, but they're sparkling. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut all these off. It took about 3 hours for me to thread all them through there, and then I've had to glue them on the back to hold them in place, but I'll cut them off and then I'll kind of show you. I'll shut the door and I'll show you what it looks like in the dark. Right, they're all cut, thank God. I'll shut this door so it gives a bit more effect, and hopefully this will work. Oh, look at that. Starry nights. So you get a little remote with this as well, so we can change colour to whatever we want. We can have them dim, one a bit brighter, We can have them quick. Not sure what that one does. Just keep pressing buttons. No idea. Right. So anyway, that's that done. Now for the rest. Oh, it's red now. Basically, it's a bit of plywood with some cork on, 10 million holes, and poke all them through, and then find somewhere to mount your control box with a little aerial on so you can use the remote. But different, innit?